This video addresses lab number 1 for electronics. It's going to be used as a self-assessment guide. So you guys are going to compare your work with a guideline of lab number 1. And let's open and see the lab. And you can see here we have an inverting operational amplifier configuration. We have some objectives, material. We're not going to show the implementation of this one, just the design and analysis of the circuit. And all you need to do, or to have open to follow along with this video, is you're going to have your MathCAD. You're going to have your PDF with the lab, and you're going to have two simulators. One is going to be FALSTAT, and the other one is going to be multisim. So have in mind that FALSTAT is going to be used just to get a visual idea of what's happening in the circuit. It's not valid for reports. Then we're going to use multisim to get the data, the accurate data that we need for the reports. All right, cool. So also you need a piece of paper, and I'm going to use these to go and do the hand calculations that we need to analyze this circuit. All right, pretty cool. And I think that's all for our report. I think we answered everything that we needed to answer. Now you can spend time just formatting these things if it doesn't look the way that you like. If you want to make it look like different format, you just change the way that things are placed. But all you need to do now is I have a light version of this MathCAD, so hopefully I can save. No, I unfortunately need to do a print and print as a PDF. It's probably not going to be better than if I was able to save it as a different format, but let's see what happens here. Need to wait a little bit. Let's just be patient. I have a lot of stuff going on. All right, lab 1. Let's call it lab 1 report. Desktop. And let's close what I don't need. I don't need this paint. I could keep this saved, this PowerPoint saved, and now if I have any reports related with op-amps, I can get ideas. I don't care right now. I'm just going to not saving that. And let's go to the desktop and let's see how the report looks like. I'm going to select my lab report and open it and see if it looks the way that it should. And I have everything. Hand calculations. I should find that input resistance, the values, simulations, file stat. I can even press and it opens right away, which is pretty cool, huh? And it shows the simulation of the circuit so I can see what's going on. I'm going to also delete that for now. And I check if I have my waves, everything represented, extra exploration, the thoughts, your answers. And if something here doesn't look good when you do it, you can always change. But as you can see, it's professional. It takes a little bit of time. It took probably like, I don't know when the video started, but again, it's part of the process. When you give this to someone, it's professional. If you need to change values, you just go here, change a couple of values, and it's very easy to use this type of format. Obviously, for this lab, you're not going to do more of these inverting amplifiers, but what you're learning is how to use a tool that can help you in the future for a project that you will be doing. Imagine senior design project or even integration. This works with any type of engineering. You just put your values here and then you just change things accordingly, integrate results, and it shows everything good. All right, so this is what I want you guys to upload, something similar to this. Don't get attached to the way that I'm formatting things. What it's important to measure here is it easy to understand the flow? Does it make sense what you're putting here? Does it explain how do you get the values? That's why the lab report is open-ended. It's not kind of telling you, write this, write that. Like, you follow it, and as you keep going, you answer the questions in your report, so it's understandable what you're doing. All right, I'm going to make this available so you guys can also take ideas from it. So please do not just copy and paste what is here. Find the way that works for you, that makes sense for you, but at the same time, if someone picks up this report, understands what's going on. All right, hopefully this helped, and I'll see you guys around.